Good morning, guys. Join me. Let's eat rice and stew. I'll do one, yeah. The stew is nice. The stew is very sweet. I'll do it, yeah. There's all the stew to be out and the rice to be out. My wife is the best cook over the world.
Finish this rice.
I will try. If I finish, it's fine. If I remove, if I finish it, fine. If I don't finish it. This morning breakfast with my subscribers. So if you're new here, you're welcome. Join me. They say when you're eating and the plate is making noise, you don't know how to eat. That means I don't know how to eat because I'm eating and the plate is making noise. Boing, boing, boing. So I need to learn how to eat. How can you be touching spoon and the plate and still be making noise? Is it possible? This chicken is native chicken. Let's see. Yeah. The food is very hot and sweet. Bye. Let me know where you're watching me from. This stew is sweet. It's entering. It's entering. Baby, are you not eating the chicken?
If you give me.
You don't like chicken? My wife said that she does not like chicken. You don't like chicken? Oh, you don't like chicken? Okay. Oh. Me, I like chicken. Oh. Are you going to give me your egg?
No.
So you're not giving me your egg, but I should give you my chicken. It's one. You eat the egg, and I'll eat the chicken. Simple as ABC. She eats the eggs while I eat the chicken. Okay, but I'll cut you. I'm not a stingy husband, so I'll cut you.
I'm not cutting. You share it with me.
I cannot give you one now. Let me give you this part. You know, this one too is big.
Just cut it small. Cut it small.
This one is small. And you want me to carry it out and give
I
to
said
you?
you should cut it small.
Okay, this one too, I should cut it into two. This one. I should cut it. Oh, that's beautiful. Good wife. If she wants the husband to enjoy, so if you're in my shoe, what will you do? Won't you enjoy? Wow. 23 people watching me live. Oh, thank you guys. Please subscribe. Please subscribe and share, even if you can send gifts. You know, my wife is heavy now, so that's why I don't want to disturb her. Anything she asks, I'll give it to her. Don't go and ask for something that I don't have.
So if I'm not heavy now, if I ask you for something, you will not give me.
Have I not been giving you? Have I not been giving you?
But you just said it's because I'm heavy.
No, I say you are heavy, so anything you ask. Not that if you ask, I will not give you. If you ask, I will give you. As always. Do you understand? Let's know where you're watching us from. Where are you watching me from? She says she wants small meat, so me too, I will get a small part of meat and then give it to her. Abby?
It's the baby that don't want to eat meat.
It's my baby that wants to eat meat, okay?
That I don't want to eat plenty meat.
This rice and stew is great. So I think you can cook it here. Just cook it at home and then eat rice and stew with chicken and plus egg. I have egg here, but My wife says she's not going to give me the egg, so that's why I'm eating only rice and stew with chicken. You know, egg that comes from chicken. That's chicken egg.
The baby needs the egg.
Hmm?
I'm eating the egg for the baby.
Mm. You're eating the egg for the baby. So me, I'm not a baby. Or I don't deserve egg. See this life? It's like not balanced, so after finishing this thing, I'll devour this meat. I'll eat the chicken with love. Where are you watching us from?
Yeah, Jennifer.
Small, small. And this in the evening too, I will need to eat chicken. Yeah, I love chicken. I love this native chicken. That's why I always eat chicken. Great people, lovely people are watching me here live on YouTube. And I love you. I appreciate you. Keep supporting this channel. Keep subscribing. Keep watching. Keep commenting. Wherever you are, we love you. I love you. God bless you. I'm still here. I'm still eating. So let's eat. What are you eating this morning? What are you eating this afternoon? What are you eating this night? When we were small, they told us that if you are eating this, it's not good for you to be eating and be talking at the same time. Well, I don't know how you treat that in some other part of the world, but in my land, that's what they taught us. Shinga taught that. I mean, the training my parents gave me, like when you're eating, you have to eat and finish before you eat your meat. So sometimes I have to eat and finish before I eat my meat. If I try to take them par pasu, like in a parallel way, it doesn't make sense. I have to eat one. So that's that. It's not my fault. Just taking instruction from my parents. Can hang out on the door. Yeah.
This particular Can you help me with that peanut?
Oh, Vanna. Kimosuga. Let them come, let them come. If they won't come, let them come. Hmm. Finished. Still remaining. All right. Justice must be done to this chicken. All right. Mmm. Yummy, yummy. Hmm? Bito. No. Ndote. Please, Mama Choho. Mama Choho. Ko Mama. Listen. How do you eat your chicken? Do you eat and drop this one? Well, me, I don't have a dog at home, so I enjoy this. You know, the bone marrow, that's sweet thing that is inside. My best part of the chicken is the lap. Come on. My teeth are strong. Oh, it's only somebody who has strong teeth that will be able to do this. You don't have strong teeth. See? Finish. Everything's apart. Yes. Thank you, my dear.
Geneva call away and talk on over him. Geneva call away and paying over him feel like do yeah.
So I normally I eat for like 21 minutes. That's how I waste time in eating.
It's because of the live video.
Imagine, okay, because I'm doing live video, that's why I've been eating. The when I'm eating swallow in the evening, I'll still do live video and see, because I want to know how long the duration I normally eat food. Sometimes if I spend 1 hour or 3 hours eating, is it possible for somebody to eat for 3 hours? What are you doing there? Or you eat, you sleep, you wake up, you eat, you sleep, you wake up. That would be crazy, man. All right. Thank you guys for taking this journey of morning breakfast with me on this Shimavering TV. Please, if you have not subscribed, do not forget to subscribe on this channel where they plant oranges, mangoes, pears, and what again? Ogbono. We call it Eve. So I'm supposed to visit all those places, and I'm going to visit them and make a good video for you guys to for your consumption, because we are always here to give you the best, not the least. Not the less, but the best. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. One love. Bye bye for now. God bless you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate for the subscription, whatever you do. Thank you. I'm so happy for you. Bye bye.